Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZM Zoom. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. Now, to summarize today's price movement, just in trading jargon, this is what would be known as a gap and trap. Now, what do I mean by gap and trap in case you're new? Well, on Friday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. In this situation, a good size gap up. After the opening bell rang, to give some credit where credit's due, the bulls actually showed up, made a very impressive move to the upside, but then this is where things get pretty savage because there's a bunch of poor souls that were buying up around here. And then from that point, it was just basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that's the gap and trap that's taken place. And why, in my mind now, the very important must-hold level of support sits down here at the 406 mark. Why is 406 important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just from an explanation standpoint, if the price were to come down to 406, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart that it just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or true strength or anything like that. Now, to be fair, no pricing goes straight up. So, I mean, if the price does continue to bounce around like it's been doing and works its way back upwards, at least at that point in time, you'd still have a higher base. And when you have higher bases, for those of you that are maybe more visual, so you'd have this higher base right here. You'd have the previous base right there. If you envision those as stair steps, well, there you go. You have stair steps now being constructed in the upwards direction. And from the bullish side of things, that's what you want to see happen. So if the price does recover back upwards, where some of these battlegrounds at? First key battleground to watch very closely going to be right here at 413.50. And then after 413.50, next key level up there right around the $420 mark. So yeah, things are looking a little shaky right now, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.